How to change picture quality on AliExpress. Are you looking to improve your browsing experience on the AliExpress app by adjusting the image quality? In this guide, I'll show you how to change the picture quality in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the AliExpress app on your device. In the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll see the profile icon. Tap on it. This will take you to your profile page. From there, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, which represents the settings menu. Tap on it to access the app settings. Once inside the settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled App Image Quality. Select it, and you'll see 3 different quality settings to choose from. The first is Smart Quality Mobile, which adjusts image quality dynamically based on your network connection, balancing performance and clarity. The second option is High Quality, which provides the sharpest images but may consume more data. The final option is Normal Quality, which is ideal if you're looking to save data while maintaining decent image clarity. Tap on the option that best suits your needs, and your selection will be saved automatically. This simple adjustment ensures you can browse AliExpress with the image quality that works best for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.